Chaos theory is the exploration of seemingly chaotic and unpredictable systems that actually have underlying order, like this double pendulum. Chaos theory is a relatively new series of mathematics because of previous years, people just assumed that things like this, as you look, it's very complex. They just assumed that there was no underlying order or any mathematical logic behind them. The world is a complex place, so some things are just going to be unpredictable. However, these systems actually do have underlying order. That's what the chaos theory is. A lot of this comes down to the butterfly effect, which talks about how the differences in initial conditions can cause drastically unpredictable and unreasonable, nonlinear effects. For example, this weather system here is hitting completely different states, and you might think that that's just because things are inaccurate, but even a few 1 or 2 degrees of a difference in measurements can cause these completely different outcomes of a storm. It's not like it's going to be just a little bit hotter that day because you're off by a degree. You could be getting hit by, this could go all the way to Cincinnati potentially. This image is another good effect, another good example of the butterfly effect. This original small domino doesn't seem like it's going to have that big of an impact, so you can mess with it and you can treat it as if nothing's going to come of it. But when this big domino falls, it'll cause much more impact than you could have ever expected.